lovelies, I have an unboxing. If it comes in the UPS box, then you know it is from the Louis Vuitton store in Bloomingdale's, one of my favorite places to shop. Thanks Tiffany girl for sending this out to me, and hey, stick around, watch my unboxing. What did I get this time? Let's unbox it. Oh yeah, my director's here today. Okay, I told myself I'm not going to do another trying to open the box on camera situation because I thought it was painful the last unboxing, but here I am trying to do it again. Wish me luck. I don't think I need scissors for this box, so I don't feel like I'll kill myself the way I feel sometimes. Packaging. Now, I have to say, I try not to step in Louis Vuitton stores anymore. I really do. In that in a bougie, snobby kind of way. But more just like the last time I was in one, I had to wait probably like 30 minutes for service, which was kind of, yeah, I didn't have that much time. It was packaging. And then just more packaging. So while I love getting my gift bags and getting everything super fancy at the store, sometimes it helps to know a good sales associate who will mail out what you need. So can you guess what it is? Okay, I'm just going to put it out there. This is yet another item that I'm buying that is not on my wish list for 2018, and I'll link that video down below. I have this wish list. I'm like, I'm going to get these things. And the other day I thought about it. I thought, it is already August 2018 and I have not bought a single thing that's on my wish list. Not a one. But I've done like maybe 3 unboxing videos this year already. Granted, I've been buying little things because, you know, shiny objects, I want to get it. But I was thinking, you know, if I put all that money together from all the little things, I could have bought something on the big wish list. But, you know, it is what it is. So in here, of course, is my receipt, the new paper receipts, and then the Bloomingdale's receipt as well is in here. And she sent me a couple of pictures, but I haven't seen it or inspected it yet. This is a true unboxing.
A true nest.
Yeah. Okay, right, finally it got the string off. It looks like the, oh, it's not a bag. It's not a bag, it's another SLG. I've been so focused on buying smaller items from the luxury houses because I've really achieved purse peace, or I like to think I have. Or maybe I just can't afford the purses I want. But I'm super happy with the purses that I want, and so I've been buying more and more of the smaller items. And yes!
It's here.
Oh. It is the Agenda in the graphite canvas, which is the black Damier print. The black Damier print. I had to think about it because it's Damier Ebene, Damier Azur, and Damier Graphite. So that's what this is. So it is, yeah, it's the Damier Graphite. I say graphite, for all I know it's just graphite. Agenda. What are you doing?
No.
The director's trying to come into the shot. I'm not sure what she's doing.
No, I'm just gonna do it.
Okay. So I'll just show you guys quickly what it looks like. I love all these card slots over here. You can put in flat papers back here. It has the 6 holes in it here. Oh, why did I always think that was like a flap? I don't know why I thought it was. Maybe it's because it's a flap than the other one. It's really, oh, and it has a bigger pen thing slot here. So I'll do a proper review at a different time. I just kind of wanted to do an unboxing. And it looks absolutely perfect. It's very nicely aligned. I'm thinking about having my initials monogrammed in it, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how functional this is for my life before I decide to monogram it. Because I feel like once you monogram something, you definitely cannot sell it. You're not gonna get good resale value. Not that I buy for resale purposes, but in today's day and age, to not consider resale is to not be smart about things. And I bring that up because I have this, which is the Epi Electric agenda in size PM. This, I've had this for years. I love this, and I did get my initials monogrammed on this one. Don't you love my dashboards? Gorgeous, the little Chanel dashboards. It's probably gauche to have Chanel dashboards inside a Louis Vuitton planner, but I don't care. I love it. It's perfect. And I really love this. And even inside, I have my Louis Vuitton paper on the inside, the agenda paper. So that's all in here. But at the end of the day, I really just kind of use this more as a reminder place to put my reminders and stuff, because it really is kind of small. It's so chock-a-block full, and I don't even have the full year in here. I have January through August in here, and to go through the end of the month, I'm gonna have to remove the older months basically, which I don't really want to do. So that was some of the reasoning that made me think maybe it was time for something bigger. Although I have to admit, this time around, I'm not considering Louis Vuitton paper. I've been watching all these planner addict things on Pinterest and on YouTube, and I want to try some new different kind of planners. And I also want to use this to help with goal setting and moving me forward in different areas of my life. Will I get rid of this one? I don't know. I don't think so. Like I said, I do have this monogram, so I know the resale value is going to be really low. So when it's low like that, to me, I might as well keep the item. And am I going to be one of those people who carries around 2 agendas? I think so. I think so. This is stunning. This is stunning. I'm so happy I got this. I've been going back and forth about what my next purchase was going to be, and bought this.
It should be one of your bags on your wish list.
It will be the next one. The next purchase is going to be one of my bags on my wish list, and that's will probably be before the end of the month, because I do have that lovely little Louis Vuitton gift card that I've been sitting on from my disastrous bag repair, and I'll link that video down below too. But I think I finally made up my mind what I'm gonna buy, and of course I will do an unboxing and I'll let you guys know about it. But today we wanted to talk about this new beautiful cutie from Louis Vuitton, and thank you, Tiffany at Bloomingdale's. I love it. I love it. I love it. And yeah, we'll see, guys. Thank you, guys. Please, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, because I know you want to come back. I know you do. I post all types of different videos focusing on luxury items, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, whatever I can afford, basically. I'm trying to get into a little bit more inspirational videos, and I also like to talk about beauty. I actually have a new foundation review that will be up hopefully by the end of the week, and that's going to be the new Dior Face and Body, and there's been so many people talking about it, and I think it's time I tried it. I think it's time I tried it. So, alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay blessed. Stay happy, decide to be happy. That's my new thing in life. Well, yeah, just decide. Decide to be happy and be happy.
Comment. She likes talking with those of you who comment.
That is true. I do like talking with those of you who comment. Thanks, guys. Be blessed. Bye.